Look, trying to look better should not involve an entire process. It's really not as hard as you think. It's so simple that every morning that you wake up and you step into that shower, into that bathroom, is an opportunity for you to step out of that bathroom a completely different man. I'm going to prove it to you. Let's hop into this. Number one, I want you to have a small mirror inside your shower. You can buy them off of Amazon. They're going to run you like $5. They're anti-fog mirrors, and the beauty of them is it gives you versatility while you're in the shower so you can be more efficient. You can shave with that thing. You can also do your skincare with that thing. So now you don't have to be doing these multi-tiered, multi-step systems, routines that elongate your time in the shower. While you're in the shower, you're letting that warm water hit your skin. This opens up your pores and makes it primed to exfoliate, to wash your face, and to also shave to get that close shave possible. And then you can easily wash it all off. You step out the shower, you're a new man. 2, I want you to use shower gel instead of your regular bar soap. This single change in your shower routine will change the game for you. You gotta understand, when you're using a bar of soap, and let's just assume you also share your bathroom. Let's say you share your restroom with your brother, your sister, or whatever, or your family. Think about that. Everybody is touching that bar of soap. Everybody has different lives. Everybody's all over the place and sweaty and oily. That bar of soap is getting clustered with all that dirt, all that dead skin, all that sweat, and then that builds up, that bacteria starts building up in that bar of soap, and you're showering with that same old thing. You already know what it looks like. After about a month, you only got a sliver, it's filled with hair. It's the most disgusting thing you could ever do. I think that a shower gel should smell almost as good as a fragrance, and usually most shower gels that you'll buy end up still having that cheap synthetic smell, which I personally disliked. So what I did is I went to our fragrance house in France. I worked with them to develop oils specifically for our line of premium grooming products. And then I infused our shower gel with those oils from France, from Italy. So basically, I created an actual high-end fragrance just for my shower line. And since it comes in a healthy glass container, you know it's gonna last you more than a month. And it doesn't matter how many people use it because it's always hygienic after every pump. If you wanna make that switch from a regular shower bar to shower gel and just see just how much better our shower gel from He Grooming is, I want you to click that link down below. Go ahead and check it out. You can't just buy the shower gel. If you want to save money, you can buy it on a subscription basis. That way we get it delivered to you every month or every quarter, however much you need, and you're going to get 15% off. Or you can buy the shower gel inside our shower bundle that comes with our body wash, our shampoo, and our conditioner. You buy all three, you get 15% off, and it's only a one-time purchase. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Which rolls on to number 3. Take a cold shower. Look, these suck. I'm going to be honest with you. They're not fun. Anybody that tells you that these changed their life and it's the best thing in the world, it's a lie. They suck and it's hard to do, and that is the point. The point is that it is uncomfortable. The point is that it does suck and nobody wants to do them. I've done them before and I still hate doing them. That's the point. See, every time you force yourself to take that cold shower is one extra time that you're fighting against your brain's natural instinct to avoid doing hard things. So guess what happens? You step out a new man, because now anytime in the real world that you face something uncomfortable, like, oh, I gotta go to the gym, you're gonna fight against that natural instinct that's telling you, no, just stay home, bro, play some video games, watch some Netflix. Or you see a pretty girl and you're thinking, man, I wish I could talk to her. You're gonna fight that natural instinct telling you, no, don't go bother her. She's busy. She's gonna reject you. See, that natural voice inside your head will constantly stop you from greatness. And every morning, you fighting against that natural voice, even on something as small as taking a cold shower, is you building that resilience against it so you can use it out in the real world. Number 4, I want you to use lotion right out the shower. Greatest thing you can ever do. As soon as you step out the shower, you need to understand your skin loves hydration. It wants to stay hydrated. So when you step out the shower and you dry off, you're going to feel it. Your skin's nice and dewy. It's hydrated. It's soft. Well, this is when you grab your body lotion and your face lotion and you just put it all on. What you're basically doing is creating this protective shield that seals in all that hydration and avoids any hydration from seeping out of your skin so your skin looks flawless. 5, now exfoliate your lips. Now you're outside the shower, you're gonna brush your teeth, you have to go through your oral routine. When you're done, I want you to clean that toothbrush and gently exfoliate your lips. This is gonna remove all dead skin from your lips, and you're gonna notice after one usage, after doing this just one time, your skin, it's almost like you brought blood flow into your lips. Your lips are gonna look plumpier. They're gonna look red. What do you think that's gonna happen when you're in front of a girl? Bro, you're gonna look kissable, which exactly takes us on to number 6. Look after your smile. A bright white smile, yo, that's a heartbreaker. That seals deals. That will change how you look completely. And usually your toothpaste alone won't do a great job at really removing those yellow stains. What will is baking soda. You can get baking soda from the store. It's like 80 cents. I want you to grab a little bit and mix it with water in your palm until it's like a pasty. It should look like toothpaste. Then you apply that to your toothbrush, and after you've brushed your teeth, you can brush yourself with this baking soda. Do it every day and do it for about 30 seconds to a minute. That baking soda in its natural abrasiveness does a way better job at actually going inside your tooth enamel and removing those yellow stains and naturally getting that white smile. And ultimately takes us to number 7, use a chemical exfoliator. The beauty with the chemical exfoliator versus a traditional exfoliator is that it does a better job at penetrating the skin and removing that topical layer of your skin. See, when you remove or shed that skin off, which is old, it's already shedding, you have a lot of dead skin on top of there, one time. I used this one time and I was convinced for the rest of my life. I remember the first time I used a chemical exfoliator. After one usage, it takes about 10 minutes, you leave it on your face, then you wash it off. Bro, your skin, you look new. You look like a new man, bro. And that's basically it for this 6 video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our shower gel from Heat Grooming. It'll be linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.